Hi folks, today just want to give you a little story on upcoming rocket flight of the Falcon Heavy, SpaceX's Falcon Heavy. This is a short little mock-up. Basically, we have the Falcon 9 with two strap-on boosters. Falcon 9 rocket. This is currently the busiest rocket in the world, in our world, on our planet. This rocket is a two-stage. Stage one, the booster, and then stage two, the second stage carries it further up into space and then drops off the cargo or crew capsule in space to go on its mission. So what makes SpaceX different to other rockets is the first stage, when it separates, turns around and comes back and lands on land. Now, what they've done to carry a heavier load is they have strapped three of these first stage boosters together, like so, and that way they can afford to carry these the same second stage, but they can afford to carry a much heavier load up into space. So they call it the Falcon Heavy because it carries a heavier load up into space. This rocket, the Falcon Heavy, launched. The Falcon 9 is the busiest in the world at the moment. It launches on average once a week at the moment. This Falcon Heavy first launched in February of 2018. That's 4.5 years ago or thereabouts. And it's due to launch again on its fourth mission coming up. It was supposed to be the 31st of October. It's now looking like it's going to be the 1st of November. So that's just less than a week away, after the weekend on Tuesday. So it hasn't flown in 3 years. The second and third missions were in May and June of 2019. So it's exciting to see this thing going up because both these side boosters will come back and land on land pretty much side by side at the same time. That's the hope anyway. And the center stage would normally go out further out and land on a drone ship, but this mission is carrying a very large cargo higher into space, so the center core stage is going to be considered expendable, so it won't be coming back. But it'll be exciting to see these two coming back and landing side by side on land. So that's coming up in the near future. And in a further video, we might talk about the orange rocket and the shiny rocket. The orange rocket being the SLS going to the moon, supposed to be, and the shiny rocket being SpaceX's much larger rocket than this, called Starship, and its booster is called the Super Heavy. It's much larger and it'll carry an awful lot more. And those launches or testing of those are coming up hopefully soon as well. There is a scheduled date for the orange rocket. That's NASA's one for the moon to do a test flight on the 14th of November, which is only 2.5 weeks away or thereabouts. That's the scheduled date at the moment. We'll see how that goes. And then Starship, they've been doing testing. We're looking forward to seeing some good static fires and stuff like that in the near future. I'll catch up with all that again. That's it from me for now, folks. Bye.